Guys, well done, you're revising. You're on this task. Right, you've seen this table. See this table, you're going to be asked about 7 different things, so you need to read it, otherwise lots of you do loads of work that you don't need to do. It says estimate mean, so that means midpoint times by frequency. So as soon as I think midpoint times frequency, I think, right, I need that extra point column, I need my midpoints. Going to put my midpoints, add them together, divide it by 2, 200, 300, 400. It's going up in equal amounts, but I'm still going to do this because sometimes they do something funny at the end or in the middle with these. 500, 600. Right, I've got those numbers. I now need my midpoint times by frequency column. 1 times 200 is 200. You should be using your calculator. I've broken my golden rule of using it and not used it. 3,300. 5 times 400. 2,000. 0 times 500 is 0. The amount of times on this paper I've seen people write 500 for some reason. I know why, it's just silly, but we just do it. Right, then, because I've done that, I don't want, I do want, I don't want, I do want. So I'm going to add this up. It's already there up for me because it's up here, 20 people, so I know it's 20. So I'm going to be dividing by 20. Going to now add these up, and I'm going to use my calculator. And I'm on a calculator exam, so I'm allowed to use that. Gives me 7,300 divided by 20 gives me 365. Now that's 365 on the answer line, and that's 3 good marks on a GCSE Maths Higher or Foundation or a Statistics GCSE. Nadia says the mean may not be the greatest average to represent this. Do I agree with Nadia? Let's go and have a look. Well, yeah, I agree with her because you've got a big gap here, and I would say yes, I agree. And I think the best would be this one, which I'd say is the modal because it's got the most in it because of the gap. Yes, due to the spread is a better way of data because of the range is large. Range, and I would use mode, I think. Right, let's make sure my mode is spelled right. Which contains the median, so the median is the middle. Right, middle is the one in the answer, middle. There are 20, so I want to add up until I get to more than 10. So the mode is, median is that, which is basically that class. Which class contains the median? The one in the middle, 250. And the modal class, we've already discussed that one with the most, is that one as well, which is the same class. Brilliant. Thank you for revising. Well done.